Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to uninstall Astra theme from WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial to delete Astra theme from WordPress and most of the people for some reason they are struggling to do this. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that, and obviously I am using Astra right now. So on the left side of the menu, once you log into your WordPress admin, make sure to go to the left side of the menu and click on Appearance. Once you click on Appearance, you will see something like this, and as you can see, my Astra theme is activated right now and it has a new version available also, which I haven't updated right now. So if I click on this, you will see that we have no option for delete over here. How you can do that? It's very easy. Just switch your theme to any another one over here. So I'm going with this one for now. And once you click on activate, it might take some time to load up and to activate obviously. And once you do that, you will see something like this. And here you can see at the top, new theme activated. That means this one is activated. Right now, Astra theme is not activated and we have that option over here. How you can delete this and how you can uninstall this is very easy. Just click on this again and here you will see delete option over here. So that means you need to inactive the current theme which you are using Astra right now. You need to activate another theme, then you can only delete Astra. After that, just click on delete, click on OK, and it might take some time, and that's it. You have deleted your Astra theme from WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.